Y'all know how I feel about this sneaker. I love it, man. I love it. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And if you haven't, check it out. I did a full, in-detail review on the Jordan 3 Fire Red. I got into all the nicks and crannies of this sneaker. So it's only right today I show you how to style it. And being that I love this sneaker so much, we gonna go the extra mile in this video. Red and white, scream supreme at you. I just want to get into it. Hit the beat.
Ain't nobody do it.
Yes, sir. And usually I start with tops or usually I start with bottoms. But being that I got a gang of them, we gonna start with hats. Yes, sir. So let's quickly run through them because it's a gang of them. New Jersey Devils. You got your red. I love this logo, by the way. You got your red, your semi-gray white in the back, and then the whole hat is black. Perfect match, guys. ODB Supreme hat. This hat is not only iconic because this is ODB's first album cover, his EBT card, but it's Supreme, it's red. Come on. Next. Jordan 3. You cannot say Jordan without mentioning the Chicago Bulls. This hat here, back-to-back world champions. Chanel patch swoosh. Next, a newie but goodie. You know, usually they say oldie but goodie. I'm on record. Hat Club is tearing through the industry. They hats are getting better and better. This is the Mets. I think they calling it Frost. Yes, it has blue in it, but come on, man. Red, white, and blue. That's a thing. That's the country. Perfect. A little different. If you go with this Rock Nation gray hat, you're more trying to match with the elephant print in the sneaker and you're just saying no with the red. I like this look because it called Fire Red. Doesn't mean you have to wear red. Match with the elephant print. Rock Nation, the paper planes, real popular. That's how it goes. But if you want to be original, again, you got a whole bunch of Chicago Bulls hats to pull from. This one is all red, black brim. Large, bold Chicago Bulls logo, NBA Finals, whatever year. You know, Mike lived in the damn finals. Perfect match, guys. Now, being that it's fall, it's autumn, I'm in Brooklyn. It's about to get brutal. The Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie. For so many reasons, guys. Not only is it a perfect match because it's all red, I know what y'all thinking. This is a Yeezy Gap hoodie. It's not Adidas. But the reason I say match this fast and quick, do this outfit, is because Yeezy and Gap is supposedly ending their relationship. That makes this more perfect. And the warmth. It's just so warm, man. The Yeezy Gap hoodie is so warm. And the Jordan 3 always remind me of like coldness, man. From the black to the true blues, just always remind me of coldness. So again, it's all reds, nothing really to describe, but perfect match, guys. And lucky, that's not the only red hoodie ever made. This here is the Supreme small box logo hoodie, and it's a zip. So I'm giving you, options. You can either do the pullover hoodie or the Supreme zip hoodie. I think I like this look a little better with the zip because the silver gives you another dynamic in the outfit. This hoodie is sold out, of course. I think this is like 2 years ago, Supreme. But it's different versions you could get. Red hoodie, big logo, little logo, Chanel patches. But come on. This is it, guys. necking it a little bit, man, is the Champion and Supreme collab. This is a long time ago, maybe 3 years ago, but this match is dope, man. Like I told you, Jordan 3s always remind me of coldness. That usually means like back to school. Do y'all see this? Do you see this school crew neck tee, man? Be a champion. Got all your colors, black, red, white. And it's not a hoodie, it's a crew neck. I told y'all, I'm giving y'all options, man. It seems like every hotter style I do, Travis Scott is involved, man. But this is the McDonald's French fry tee. And yes, it has yellow in it, but the shirt is all white. And I think the French fries give you, again, another dynamic in the outfit, playing off the sneaker. And y'all know what happens with white Jordans. They tend to yellow. I think it's perfect. The sleeve here does have the red McDonald logo, but it reads Cactus Jack. Right? Yeah, Cactus Jack. Dope. And this shirt is way affordable. I'm talking $50 to $60. That's below retail, guys. When it comes to clothing, I feel like Jordan brand don't get they just due. And it's weird because Nike makes it. So I don't know, but this here is similar to your Adidas Tyro sweats, but it's just Jordan brand. The bottom reads Jordan. Sorry, guys. The bottom reads Jordan, right? You got your zippers at the bottom, so you know you can tighten it down. And I like the way that looks on the Jordan 3. I like the way joggers look on the Jordan 3. Yeah, both sides has zippers. You got your Jordan Jumpman logo right by the thigh part. I can't find no logos today. Here we go. It's on your left side. Right there. And it's dry fit. Dope. To me, nothing reads Jordan 3 Fire Red like the throwback Jordan pinstripe Chicago Bulls shorts. This one here is Mitchell & Ness Hardwood Classic. As you can see there, Mitchell & Ness been having crazy steals, guys. So if you want to pause this video right now, come check me out later. Trust me, go to Mitchell & Ness. As soon as you click on their website, they tell you how you can get 15% off. So I think retail's like $100, $120 on these. You get 15% off, 20% off. You're looking at under $100, closer to 80 than 100. Now, I'm not saying wear them together because you don't play in the NBA. But get you a Jordan jersey to match them fire reds. It don't matter if it's a Swingman Nike or Mitchell & Ness throwback. It's Jordan, guys. I showed y'all some fitteds. Now I'm going to show y'all some Scullies. Again, it's getting cold out. You got your gray that's going to match the elephant print. Supreme, under $100. Chicago Bulls New Era Santa Claus puff hat. You got Chicago. You got red. You got white. You got black. And it comes with some extra pins, guys. And last but certainly not least, Supreme logo beanie. Oh, I love this hat so much. Red, white. You would kill him with this hat. Now, let's not forget this Supreme dope tee model with a pistol or a toy gun. It's a perfect match, guys. Yes, sir. So I didn't even show y'all this hat, but come on. Yes, sir, man. So the Fire Red 3s, they've been restocking crazy. It done slowed down, guys. It done slowed down. So I hope you got your pair. Match it with confidence, man. If you need help finding anything in this video or closer to prices, I'm here to help. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, man. Everybody, get rich.